The entire process of mental adjustment and atonement can be summed up in one word: gratitude. So think about that. Because anytime we're upset, anytime we're frustrated, anytime we're feeling lack or limitation, it's because of something going on in our mind. So we need to adjust the way we're viewing it. We need to have a mental adjustment. And then atonement is letting go. Just release it. So whatever's frustrating you, you release the idea. The first step is you write down 10 things that you're grateful for. Now, it's really critical at this part that you feel the gratitude. Even if you only get one thing down there that you're grateful for, like a great cup of coffee this morning, or the sun was shining, or whatever it is, your puppy gave you a wonderful hug. It doesn't matter. Feel the gratitude. Feel the shift in your vibration. And you write down 10 things you're grateful for. But listen here, this is the cool part, and this is how I use this all the time, is you can gratitude for something that is not yet manifest in your physical world. Because as you raise your awareness, you understand that if you have the idea, you've got it on a spiritual plane. You also have it on an intellectual plane. You have it in your conscious mind. The only thing wanting is to see it in your physical world. And when you truly understand this, you know it's coming. You know, so long as you don't let go of the idea, it has to manifest. And so you can be as grateful for that now as when it actually physically manifests. And the more you can do that and really believe it, the faster it will manifest.